Fish. Nice to have you with us.
Ram Kumar asked a question yesterday, and he's posted it again. Thank you, Ram, for doing that. I saw it yesterday and didn't get to it. We got distracted. He wants to know, is Pothos plant planted in a deep substrate aquarium and grown with other plants? Not exactly. The Pothos plant, the leaves need to be out of the water, not in the water. It grows immersed. That means above the water level. The roots, however, will grow deep and strong into the water column, and they'll go down into the substrate. But the leaves have to be above it. Now, once it becomes established, it will grow rapidly, and it will take over a fish room. They're really glorious. It's a beautiful plant to grow out. I've had it here at the shop a couple of times, and it really is quite nice. But again, it grows, the roots grow into the water, the leaves grow out of the water. So when you get a cutting from a pothos, put the stem in the water and leave the roots out. I mean the leaves out. Put the roots or part of the stem in the water, leave leave the leaves out. And it will send roots down into the water column. It'll take up nutrients from the water, and it'll grow like a weed. It's just really quite amazing and really quite lovely. You can do that with various other kinds of ivy as well. Well, I hope you found something you've never seen before. Have a great day. Nice to have you with us. Come on back.